Hi, this is a quick demonstration video to explain you how the password vault works. So here the first thing that it asks you to do is to set a master password. So in order to access all the passwords you have to create a master password. So here I'll just quickly write abc at the rate, like let's say 123 abc123. Please remember you should be remembering this password, else you won't be able to access any of your password stored inside vault. And I'll just click create. Once I create it, ask me to enter the same password again. I'll just enter that here again and I'll click enter. So once I enter here, it shows me this screen. Okay, here this screen will be accessible only to the people who enter the correct password. So remember, even if you go back and if you come back here again, you would have to enter this again. So here, like, I'll just write the correct password. If you enter the wrong password, it won't let you in. Okay, so here I'll just press this and yeah, now I'm able to access it. Okay, so this is the most important thing that you have to remember. And now you can create any number of accounts over here. So what does an account mean? An account means, let's say you can have a bank account, you can have a social media account and stuff like that, right? So let's say I type Bank of India. Okay, and I'll just click save. Here a Bank of India account is created. So if I click Bank of India, it says like plus icon at the bottom of the screen to add details. Okay, so what are these details? So see, in a single bank we have multiple details, right? Let's say inside Bank of India I have credit card, so I can enter credit card over here. And what are the credit card fields? So let's say if I want to remember the card number, so I can just type card number and here I can write the number over here. Okay, and here let's say there is another field, I can just click this button and here let's say I can add one more field, that is CVV, and here I can write the CVV, whatever is it. Okay, here let's say I have another field, I can create another field, I can type expiry and let's say I just add let's say 01, something like this. Okay, so let's say if I have another field, let's say it is pin, so here it is added at the bottom, pin, and here I can type the pin. Okay, so whatever is it, so here I have added all the details, I can click add. So if you see inside Bank of India I have a credit card stored now. So similarly I can do it for, let's say, debit card or let's say net banking. Debit card, and let's say the same thing, let is card number, and I can type everything over here. Okay, everything, all the data here is stored locally on the phone itself, it's not stored on a server. But when you back up the data to your Google Drive, it will be stored to the server, like basically to the to your own Google Drive. Okay, all the data is encrypted using like latest encryption technology, so you don't need to worry about anything that is data loss. Like you should worry about data loss if your phone is lost, because everything is stored on your phone locally, and if you don't take a backup. So we suggest you to take backups regularly using the Google Drive feature, which is over here. Okay, so here since went back and came back again, I'll just type it here. So here this was like for Bank of India, so I can also do it something like a social media. Okay, I can create something like this, and here inside that I can do something like, let's say I want to do it for Facebook, and here let's say username. So here username, let's say this is Karthik, and here let's say password, it's let's say abc at the rate 123. Okay, I can just add it. So similarly, like Facebook, I can add anything else, like let's say Instagram. Here let's say I can add username, and here my real username, whatever it is, and here the next thing is password, and here like you can add any number of fields, that's the good thing about this. Okay, so let's say I type something like this, and here the username can be Karthik 123, and at the end I can just click add. Here if it's added. Okay, so all the details here, right, these are encrypted as I said, and you don't need to worry about this. So that's how it is saved, and it is highly secure. It is stored on your phone itself and not on the server, so nothing is stored on our end. The only internet connection with this app is basically you can upload your not upload, basically back up your data to your own Google Drive, so we can't access it. Okay, so everything in this app is completely secure, so you don't need to worry. And here you can just long press to delete it if needed. You can long press to delete it if needed. And also here, let's say if you want like if you are paying somewhere, right, you can just click this to copy this, so it will copy it to your clipboard, this particular card number. And let's say if you want to copy this, you can just press this. If you want to copy the pin, you can click this. You can click it again in order to copy it again. Okay, so that's how it completely works. It's very fine. You can long press to edit it. It will autofill the data here, and you will be able to edit all the details. Let's say I edit this. Okay, here I can edit this, and here let's say if I go here, I can also edit all these things here, edit, and it will work completely fine. Okay, so if you have like just let us know if you have any feedbacks by going here, that is this one, suggestion and feedback. We'll be happy to implement those feedbacks. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.